If you've ever opened KuCoin, stared at the screen for a few seconds, then closed the app because you were afraid of clicking the wrong button and losing money, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to do spot trading on KuCoin step by step, in the simplest way possible, even if you are a complete beginner. No complicated terms, no guessing, no stress. By the end of this video, you will understand what you're doing and feel confident placing your first spot trade safely. What is spot trading on KuCoin? Before touching any buttons, let's clear one important thing first. Spot trading simply means you buy a cryptocurrency and you actually own it immediately. You buy low, you sell high, and the profit or loss is real. There is no leverage, no borrowing money, and no liquidation like futures trading. That's why spot trading is the safest starting point for beginners. When you trade spot, the worst case scenario is the price goes down, but your position will not suddenly disappear. This is exactly why I always recommend beginners start with spot trading before touching anything else. Why most beginners lose money on KuCoin? Most beginners don't lose money because the market is bad. They lose money because they start wrong. They jump straight into futures, they don't understand order types, or they rush without knowing what each button does. KuCoin itself is not the problem. The problem is skipping the basics. Once you understand how spot trading works and how to place a simple order correctly, everything becomes much calmer and more controlled. Creating a KuCoin account and basic security. If you don't have a KuCoin account yet, make sure you use the referral code CASHBACK50 when you sign up. This code gives you up to 35% cashback on trading fees. Make sure you use a valid email and set a strong password. After that, the most important step is security. Always enable two-factor authentication and set a trading password. This might feel annoying at first, but it protects your funds. Think of it this way: security comes before profit. If your account is not secure, nothing else matters. Funding your account for spot trading. Once your account is ready, you need funds in your spot wallet. You can deposit crypto from another exchange or wallet or buy crypto directly if available in your region. After depositing, make sure your funds are in the spot account, not the funding or futures account. Many beginners make mistakes here and think their money disappeared. It didn't, it's just in the wrong wallet. Always double-check that your balance shows up under spot trading before moving on. Now, let's talk about the spot trading page itself. At first glance, it looks complicated, but you only need to focus on a few things. The trading pair shows what you are buying and what you are paying with. For example, BTC USDT, the chart shows price movement, but you don't need advanced analysis right now. The most important part is the order section, where you choose how to buy or sell. If you understand this part, you are already ahead of most beginners. Market order explained simply. A market order is the easiest way to buy or sell. You are telling KuCoin to execute the trade immediately at the current market price. This is useful when you want to enter or exit a trade quickly and don't care about small price differences. For beginners, market orders reduce confusion because you don't need to guess prices. You simply choose how much you want to buy or sell, confirm, and the trade is done. Limit order and why it is safer. A limit order allows you to choose the exact price you want to buy or sell at. This gives you more control and helps you avoid emotional decisions. Instead of chasing the price, you let the market come to you. Many beginners prefer limit orders once they understand them because they feel calmer and more planned. You are not rushing. You are deciding your price first, then waiting. Placing your first spot trade step by step. Now let's place a simple spot trade so you can see how everything connects. First, choose a common trading pair like BTC USD or ETH USDT. These pairs have high volume and are easier for beginners. Decide whether you want to use a market order or a limit order. If this is your very first trade, a small market order is fine. Enter the amount you are comfortable with, double-check the numbers, then confirm the order. Once the order is filled, you officially own that cryptocurrency. That's it. No guessing, no tricks, just a clean spot trade. How to sell and take profit safely. Selling is the same process, just in reverse. Choose the same trading pair, select sell, and decide whether you want to sell at the market price or set a limit price. Beginners often panic and sell emotionally. Instead, plan your exit calmly. Even small profits matter at the beginning. Your goal right now is not to get rich fast, but to build confidence and consistency. Common beginner mistakes to avoid. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trading with money they cannot afford to lose. Another common mistake is clicking into futures or margin by accident without understanding them. Always check that you are in spot trading before placing any order. Also, never rush. If something feels confusing, pause and recheck. Losing money usually happens when people move too fast without understanding what they're doing. Simple safety tips for new traders. Keep your trades small while learning. Focus on popular coins with good liquidity. Avoid hype and rumors. Spot trading rewards patience, not speed. You don't need to trade every day. Sometimes the best move is doing nothing and waiting for a clean setup. This mindset alone can save you a lot of unnecessary losses. Bonus KuCoin referral reward for beginners. If you don't have a KuCoin account yet, make sure you use the referral code cashback50 when you sign up. This code gives you up to 35% cashback on trading fees for both spot and futures trading, plus a welcome bonus that can go up to $11,000 depending on your activity. This means you keep more of your profits instead of paying them in fees. The referral link is in the video description, and you must use it before creating your account to receive these benefits. If this tutorial helped you understand KuCoin Spot Trading clearly, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I post beginner-friendly crypto guides that focus on safety, clarity, and long-term learning, not hype. In the next videos, I'll show you how to choose coins, plan simple entries, and avoid beginner traps on KuCoin. Check the link in the description, use the referral code cashback50, and I'll see you in the next video.